Hey guys, Joe from J&M Concrete here. So this week we are doing a 10 by 10 hot tub pad. Pretty simple, pretty straightforward. Stick around for the excavation, the framing, my favorite part, the pour. Thanks for leaving us a like. Don't forget to subscribe. See you then, guys. Bye-bye. Hey guys, pour went well. We poured out a 5 slump, 1% non-chloride accelerant. We poured it 5.5 inches thick, rebar all the way through. We put that little leg right in the center, so it just adds some stability, you know. Pretty straightforward. It's gonna be a 3-person hot tub. This thing can handle a full-size hot tub, but the customer should be able to do what they need to with this. It shouldn't go anywhere for a long time. They're still gonna be doing some work around, doing some landscaping and whatnot. But there it is, guys, pretty straightforward. Next week, we are doing a large driveway. We're excited for that. I love driveways, easy to access. Don't gotta worry about going on the side of people's houses. But thanks for stopping by. Don't forget to leave us a like, subscribe. See you then, guys. Bye-bye.